from Tajmotormedics. This is a part 2 of Nissan NV200 on a 2015 plate. I've just done a position lamp on this, so that's going to be a part 1 video, but this is the main dip bulb. It's a H4 bulb which can be found in the description. Do check it out if you need one. But I'm going to show you which one it is. Could you please switch the lights on, please? And as you can see, that one there is working on the main dip, but this one isn't. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this one. Can you switch the lights up, please? Thank you. Right, first thing first, what you need to do is, you've got a plug right at the back there. You see, so what you got to do is wiggle, because these plugs do get really stuck on as well. So if you wiggle, and then pull it at the same time, you'd feel it coming out. There we go. That's out. That's a 3-pin plug, so it will be a H4 bulb. If it was a 2-pin, then it will be a H7. So then you take the cover out. Now just remember, when you do take the cover out, just put it back into the original position. So that's out. And then on the inside, as you can see there, right there. So if you see how the bulb is sitting, that's how you need to put it back in as well. So you've got locator, pin locator there, pin locator there, and pin locator on the top of the H4 bulb. You got this little clip here, so you push this down and then out, and then you got one on this side, down and out. You then remove the bulb and then get a new one. So you put the new one in. Now you can see there, that's sitting in perfect. So I'll bring the spring in and sideways, in and sideways as well. As you can see there, that's sitting in perfect. This is sitting in perfect as well. The bulb is good. You then put the cover on, slot the cover in. Make sure you slot the 3 pins in through the hole. Then put the cover on. And then get the plug. Plug it in. Now we're going to check. Could you please switch the lights on, please? Now you can see that's working as well. Lights off. That's all it was on this particular model. It is an NV200 Nissan. Do leave us a comment if there's anything else you need to know. Do check out the playlist for Nissans as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.